Greetings everyone. Here is how you can add an extra password layer to protect your WordPress. Something like this. Now to do that, log into your WordPress. We are already logged in. Now go to Appearance and Theme File Editor. Click on Theme Functions. Scroll down. And now we will add some custom codes here. Here is the code we are going to use. Copy this code and paste it here. Now the only modification you need to do on this code is set the custom password. For now, the default password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you can use any number or alphabets for the password. The code might look big, but it is mostly CSS for the password input area. So this is all done. Update file. So the file has been updated. Now let's open WP-admin in incognito mode. So you will see this. Let me input a wrong password. It will say incorrect password. So only the right password will give you access to the WP-admin. And then you can log into your dashboard. Now if you forgot your password, there is no way to access the site using WP-admin. In that case, you will have to use a cPanel or FTP. We are already logged in the cPanel. Go to File Manager and locate your website files. Go to public_HTML. So here are all our files. Here, go to WP Content. Go to Themes. We are using the 2021 theme. Find functions.php. Right-click and click on Edit. And Edit. Scroll down and you will find the code we added earlier. You can see the password from here, or simply delete the whole code and save it. Now you can directly access WP-admin. The code is seen, but let me refresh this to update this file. So it is gone. So we recommend using this only if you have access to the root files using cPanel or FTP. Thank you very much.